Another OOTD for today, guys. So, my goodness, ang init. Kaka-OOTD ko lang. Outfit is all from Uniqlo. Top and bottom, and then boots from Forever 21. And cute, no? So cute! I love these boots. And then, itong ribbon na to galing sa isang pants ko na mas mahaba. And then, nilagay ko siya dun sa mas maikling na pants. And then, for my makeup, Huda Beauty eyelashes. Para bongga. Yan ang OOTD for today. If you wanna see the photo, I'll have the link in the information box. I love black. Comment down below if you are like me, who would wear black every day. I love black, as in.
And then you guys will see now what you're gonna do here today. Like, we're gonna talk about actually you guys are gonna be the first to talk about first to launch medyo. Yeah. And then bloggers will mention that they're
We're starting! Wifey, we're starting! Yes! Bangs on the side kasi may image. It's Khal Drogo.
She always forgets about half off.
Wifey, kissy kissy!
Ayaw!
Si
JM
Chris.
lang. We'll find his forehead.
Finally done! Ayan, swatch kami.
Hirap, ayan.
I'm so happy. Hindi ko na pala kailangan pumunta sa isa pang pupuntahan ko dapat. So, we're gonna have lunch with wifey kasi ang tagal ko siyang hindi na kachikahan.
Joke lang. Super stay! Manning! Woohoo!
Statue of. I'm so sorry, hindi namin na-vlog yung ramen kasi nagchikahan kami agad ni wifey.
Bus na? Uy, eat my egg.
Mag-meeting si wifey after. And then we have to go back home for the Elana. Grabe guys, these boots are not made for walking. Masakit sa paa. Oh my goodness. They're just perfect for OOTDs but not good for walking. Sakit ng paa. Oh! Pero maganda siya, diba? Tiis ganda. Anyway, finally home. Pero hindi pa ako pwede nagpahinga kasi we have a Facebook Live. This is work again, so I'm gonna do my setup muna and then we'll start. Okay, I'm chatting with people via Instagram and you can see my... Kasi nawala yung ano ko, yung connection ko sa here. Kaya tinape ko na lang. Bongga, diba? Say hi, Shello! Hi! Ayan, nasa vlog ko today. Say hi! Thank you so much, thank you! O yan na, may isa kang question. Ito naman yung live kanina. Sobrang nakakatawa to as in.
Seriously, it is much true. So, a lot of good selling points.
With wifey.
Ito pa, 10 shades siya. So, hindi lang siya yung parang, 2 shades lang. Ang tong na to, for 5 seconds.
This is a funny segment kanina.
Ano yun? Less kiss marks on the photo.
Yep.
Tingnan natin sino tong tao ko. Oh my God. Do you know this guy? Wifey.
Kayla. Okay.
Okay. So, where do you want to kiss him?
Forehead. I am very...
Say hi, guys! Para makita kayo sa vlog. Yan, si April, si Kikay Style. Yan, just say hi. If you have any shout-outs. Hi, RV Mango. Joan Lupinyak. Yank. Hi, hi, hi. Ayan. So much fun. Okay, so it's time to go na to the market to buy some hangers. And then straight tayo sa SM Aura to buy the turbo broiler. So we're gonna cook tonight. I don't really know pa kung ano yung gusto kong i-dinner, pero something broiled. Tama ba? Broiled. Yeah. Let's go. There's an insect over there. So just finished going to the grocery. Bumili lang akong turbo broiler. I'm gonna show you guys mamaya. Bumili naman ako ng plant. Anyway, I'm here with Bae. Hi, Bae!
Hi! I just bumped into her.
She ordered what?
Salmon sashimi.
Oh, mukha siya super fresh. I love it. I ordered the same stuff. Chicken teriyaki. Friday night, so before tayo, umuwi na kami ni Bea, iniwan ko yung mga groceries. We're now here at the workshop because Bea wanted to check it out. Kasama ko si Bea and si Tash. Say hi to my vlog!
Hi, vlog!
Finally, after 10 years,
Nakita din kami.
Ayan, bumili ko ng fishball. Perfect ito kasi you order the mango rum from the workshop and then bibigyan ng fishball or may balot. Super sarap. Perfect. Finally home, guys. So, madami tayong dumating na packages. So, I'm gonna open them up muna and then I'm gonna show you kung anong binili ko sa SM Aura and Market. So, unang-una, oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I finally got a turbo broiler. And it's red! Red is my favorite color. This one was 2,190, tama ba? Something like that. Ay, I'm so excited talaga. Because Elaine has been telling me na parang perfect daw talaga to. Kasi parang siyang, ano siya, parang siyang oven talaga. So, I've never used it before. But I've tasted Elaine's cooking na gumawa siya ng bagnet dyan. As in, super duper sarap. And then, I'm turning into a crazy plant lady. But this is worth it kasi alam mo kung ano siya. This one naman I got from SM Aura. Ano siya? From Gourmet Farms. Ano to? Flat leaf parsley. Ayan. So, it's perfect. Ang ganda, no? Sobrang malago siya. Mo taught me how to properly cut them para once makat mo, tutubo siya ulit. So, that's really awesome. I have stuff from Uniqlo. I love Uniqlo talaga when it comes to their actually innerwear. Ang ganda talaga mga innerwear. Wala lang, bumili lang ako ng bras here. Seamless bra nila. And ang maganda kasi sa wireless siya. So, hindi siya masakit here. Kasi diba usually yung mga bra, may ano dito, may wire. But these ones, ang ganda oh. $9.90 lang. I got one in nude and one in black. Ito yung favorite ko sa kanila, yung ultra seamless airism na underwear. So, ito naka-sale yung ibang colors. It's peach one. So, I got a bunch of black. And, yun, puro innerwear lang yan. Tapos, may dumating na package from Daiso. Wow! This is like a Christmas gift na from Daiso. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, let's open it up. Alright, so we have here, what is this? Parang bag. Tapos, brown sugar ginger drink. Ooh, never tried this before. So we have a bunch of drinks. Kumquat drink. This is apple. Ouch, aray ko, may stapler. This is apple tea. And then, oh my gosh, matcha and starch gruel. I think I like this. And then lastly, we have 2018 calendar. Thank you, Daiso. May isa pa nagpadala. This is from JG Summit Holdings. Oh my gosh, it's a big bag. So let's open it up. Another Christmas gift. So thank you so much to Patricia Go, Viveka Singson, and Len Balmonte. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's open it up. Ang ganda ng bag. Pwede pang laundry. Oh my gosh. It's a Piatos pillow. It's so cute. And then we have like, yes, travel pouches. Ang tawag doon? Yung mga travel, pang mga pouch. Okay, and then we have here, duffel bag. Cebu Pacific. Oh my gosh. May bigay si Cebu Pacific. Open natin. Wow, it's a calendar. More bags. Parang travel pouch ulit siya. Tivoli Wafer Bites. Cream O. A bunch of C2 drinks. Notepads from Robinson's Bank. More notepads. I love notepads. And then, ano to? I don't even know kung ano to. But thank you so much. Tapos nagpunta ako ng Daiso just to buy... Okay, groceries pala to and Daiso. Di ba kulang yung hangers ko? Bumili pa ako naman dahil pang hangers. Okay, and then ginamit ko yung same plastic for the other stuff. Garbage bags. My favorite Nurse wet wipes. And then, yung mga gulay for tomorrow. Ayan. So that's it for the vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. So yung turbo broiler, siguro tomorrow ko na lang siya gagamitin. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna be going with Elaine sa Salcedo Market again. Just to roam around. Actually, hindi pa ako masyado talagang nakakabili around that area. Kumakain lang kami lagi nila mo. So, yun. So exciting. And I have to edit the vlog right now. Tapos, ano pa ba? Bukas pala, 3 PM yung Elana natin. Isipin ko kung paano maging stable yung connection. It's so weird kasi yung IG story, di ba sobrang okay? As in, dire-diretso lang talaga. Tapos biglang yung ano, hindi na kaya. Biglang Facebook Live, hindi kaya. Anyway, ito pala, may mga stuff pa from Maybelline and even L'Oreal. Tomorrow also, I am scheduled to rearrange all the stuff in the makeup room. So, mag-a-allot ako ng stuff for giveaway. So, I know hindi ako naka-major giveaway nung 2017, last year, diba? So, I'm gonna organize another video for that. Para bago ako mag-Japan din, I'll hold the giveaway. And then, unti-unti ko na rin tinatapos lahat dito para ma-film ko na yung house tour by Monday. Kung kaya Monday. Yeah. So that's it for the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!